Hey y'all, my name is Kori Ashton, and this is a smaller video from a larger 1-hour webinar that I've created that talks about how to improve your service, how to improve your pricing, and how to improve your process whenever you're growing your WordPress agency. This specific section actually helps you better understand how to implement some sort of reoccurring revenue model inside of your small agency so that you're not horribly suffering through those slow seasons. So let's jump in right now and catch this smaller clip. Everybody knows when you're in the WordPress or even web development industry, there are going to be slow seasons, right? There are going to be lulls where we're looking for that next project. The only thing that's going to keep us floating, the only thing that is going to keep us moving forward is going to be reoccurring revenue. So I'm showing you here Jason Cohen. He's the CEO of WP Engine as of today at least. Just a phenomenal guy. He came and spoke at a WordCamp in Austin in 2014 that I attended. This guy sat there and told us that if you don't have a reoccurring revenue, a cash flow reoccurring model in your company as of today, your lights will be turned off within 2 years. And I seriously took that to heart. It was a big wake-up call for me to realize that I did not have a required reoccurring cash flow model in my company. How can I better do that? So that absolutely was to include support plans. We tried to sell them as retainers. That wasn't working. We tried to sell them as maintenance packages, and clients were like, I'm not gonna need maintenance. But the moment you started using words like support plan, they started to realize in their minds, they started to think, okay, of course I want support, yes. And so what we really did is try to build up that offering and provide them a really great package. And this is what that looks like. As of today, these are the 3 different plans that we offer through WebTegrity for our clients to pick and choose from. And these are required levels for them to come on to for support plan with a minimum agreement of 12 months. So you've got a $99 a month package, a $199 and a $499. And just kind of looking at the different offerings, you start to see what's available in each plan. Now, so the lowest they can go is the $99 a month, and then it's pay as you go for support. So the other thing we realized was when we started including free time basically inside of this first plan, everybody would say to us, well, I don't use that hour, so what am I really paying you for? So we very quickly said, well, forget that. We're not going to include time anymore. We are going to allow them to do pay-as-you-go model. And then in these upper plans, they can actually purchase buckets of hours if they'd like and use them within a set amount of time. So really important that you build up a very strong model when it comes to creating a reoccurring revenue. Imagine this. Let's say you have one client who's paying you $100 a month. Then by the end of the quarter, you now have 3 clients. That's $300 a month. That's a car payment for you. By the end of the year, you could have 20 clients paying you $100 a month. That's $2,000. That revenue right there, $2,000 a month, right? That revenue right there would allow you to move into an office space and start to grow your team. It gets really exciting, the things you can do with this recurring revenue. The other thing it will allow you to do is not suffer through your slow seasons as you might be struggling to get more and more clients. Makes sense, huh? Kind of cool. All right, y'all, I know that was just a smaller snippet of what we're doing in the larger webinar, but if you liked this, be sure to click below. I'm going to put the link to the full 1-hour section that you can go watch completely for free here. And if you are a freelancer or an entrepreneur inside the world of WordPress and you're looking to learn more about how to improve your process, if you want to network with others just like you who have maybe gone before, come be a part of Press Tribe. It's a brand new online Slack community that we've started, and I'll put the link below. It's completely for free to join. Every week we're having live chats and more webinars just like this to help you learn more and improve your team, your process, and hopefully overall your profit. I hope you're having a great one. I'll see you next time. Bye, y'all.